Hey, this is Abhishek, and today in this video I'm going to demonstrate you the implementation of array and string in a C++. So here's the first program for the array. So here you can see that there's a what's the aim of the program. So given two arrays, find the union intersection. For example, if the array inputs are AR1, that is the array number of the first one, and it is 1 3 4 5 7, that's the elements of the array, and AR2 is the second array name of an array, and the value and the elements inside the arrays are 2 3 5 and 6, and the program should be printed as a union as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means we are combining both the arrays into a single one. So as moving on the program, you can see that has include as string the header file, and over here we are creating two arrays. Sorry, there are four arrays, and first of all, A1, the elements are 2, the size is 10, and after that there is A2, the size 10, and N1 and N2 other variables which we will be discussing further on the program, and its ints represent as intersection, and UNI represent as union. So over here you can see that there is a void intersection function over here, and in this function we are intersecting the, over here we have taken int c is equal to 0 for I is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to n1. Over here we have taken as a variable, and I plus plus for similar as till 2, and over here we are intersecting the I1, and that is c plus plus, that is the counter, and after that intersection is we are giving the output. And over here again there is another function add UNI on array. So in this we are actually there's a for loop which are taking the union of the data which have been given as an input by the user. And after that, as we move onwards, there is a over here you can see as int min is equal to assignment 0, and we have taken an attempt. There's a for loop int running from I is equal to 0 and I is less than equal to int I n1, and the values of n1 and n2 are already assigned by the user in the previous function where we saw at insertion function over there. It's an intersection function over there, and similarly we come into the main function. Over here we are displaying all the intersection as well as the union function which are being done in this program. So over here now we'll see the output of the program. So well, you can see that over here the program has built successfully and is running now. And okay, so here's the option: enter the number of the elements you want to enter for the first array. So over here we'll give the number of elements like 1 2 3 4 5, that's enter, and enter the element for the first array. Okay, sorry, there was a little logical error over here. I'll run the program and I'll show you again. So enter the number of elements you want to enter the array. I want to enter 3 elements. Okay, enter the elements of the first array: 1 2 1 3 1 2 6 7. Enter, and last 8 9 7 enter. So now enter the number of elements you want to enter the second array. I'll go with 3 like this. Then some use random values I'll give so that all the values should not like each other. So insertion is over here. You can see that the insertion value is this one, and well, program is working all well. So now we'll move on to the second one, that now we'll be dealing with the string over here. Initially our question mentioned that today in this video we are doing array and string, so we completed array. Now we're going to for the string. So here you can say given a text is equal to so here we have to write a function of a search character txt char pat and print all the occurrence of the pat in that txt. You may assume that n is equal to this input txt. This is a question which we have to do over here. I'll just select what's we are going to do over here. So yeah, you can see that. So yeah, we have, as we are working on the string, that's why we are taken the header as hash include string.h and input output. That's the normal header file required for the each and every program. So here for void searching we are using passing two arguments into the void searching function, that is character txt and character pt. So after that over here int x y z is equal to 0 and flag 0 and we are taking position. X is equal to string dot length, which is used to find the length, and after that there is a loop which will be running till x, and x will be inserted by the user over here. Similarly it will check if c is equal to y if it is a pattern found, otherwise flag plus plus, and flag plus plus will either give +1 or 0 value over here. So actually flag is a boolean type. So over here we can see that the main over here character str and factor, these are the array types, and over here we have to enter the text and cn get str dot cout enter the pat, and cn get line pat search str pat. There are two arguments possible. So now I'll build another following program. Over here you can see that program is built successfully, and now we'll get the output. So enter the text. I will okay there's a pattern, okay, enter the pattern. Suppose patter pattern, and okay, pattern not found, the process return is 0. Yeah, you can see the program is built successfully and is running. So thank you for watching this video.